Anyone can talk.
It's gonna be bad for them.
Anyone can call themselves the best.
The best soccer player, the best football player.
But what happens when six brothers take their trash talk off the screen and put it to the test?
Welcome to the Pandemonium game.
And the trash talk gets reality checked.
I just hope they can perform.
When pride gets tested and someone has to hug the truth.
Pros versus Joe, and I'm the Joe.
6 friends, 2 days, 13 events, 13 chances to prove who really stands at the top.
I love y'all boys. It's time to get cooked.
Because this is more than just a series. This is brotherhood built on faith and shaped by years of competition. These are the Mandem. Welcome to Mandemonium.